In beautiful British Columbia, there are very few lakes as pristine and desirable as Shuswap Lake. We are overhead Blind Bay, and below us is the prestigious MacArthur Heights subdivision, one of the very best residential locations in all of the Shuswap region. Our video tour today is located at 3471 McBride Road, an exquisite 2,632 square foot Jenish-designed custom-built home with an absolutely fabulous panoramic view of Shuswap Lake and Blind Bay. There's an entry directly into the kitchen from the large wraparound deck. We're immediately greeted with a modern and spacious open-concept kitchen and dining area. White cupboards are highlighted by stunning black granite countertops and luxury Pergo laminate flooring. The large dining area is framed by oversized, energy-efficient, low-E argon windows, which provide loads of natural lighting and a view you'll never tire of as you savor your morning coffee under the warm morning sun. The inviting and spacious living area is highlighted by 16-foot cathedral ceilings and a double French door walkout to the full-width deck. It's ideal for family gatherings, and you'll love the spectacular sunsets as you relax in total comfort by your natural gas fireplace. Retreat to a private oasis in your huge primary bedroom, which has its own entry to a very pretty Juliet balcony with another stunning panoramic lake view. There's a large double walk-in closet. The three-piece ensuite bath features a large walk-in shower cabinet. There's an enormous loft, which provides ample workspace for more than one person. The upper level is finished with an additional spacious bedroom and four-piece bath with tub and shower. Moving back to the main floor, we have two additional and very large bedrooms with big double closets. The laundry room is also located on the main floor and features a large double closet, cupboard, sink, and entry to the wraparound deck. On the lower level of this lovely home is a comfortable rec room, an exercise room, utility and storage room, and two-piece bath. A handy feature is the 4-foot high crawl space across the full width of the home, providing an enormous storage area. Moving back to the outside, we have an oversized double-car garage, which also provides sufficient room for a workshop. 3471 McBride Road is an especially attractive home with its extensive landscaping and scenic hillside location and connection to nature. It was built to last with 2-inch by 6-inch exterior wall construction using extra styrofoam insulation in addition to the usual fiberglass bats. It features yellow cedar siding and a 50-year galvanized metal roof. The full-width deck is covered by Duradek. There's in-ground irrigation with a total of 10 stations. But maybe the best feature is the 4-person hot tub. What a great location to enjoy a glass of bubbly as you enjoy the spectacular lake view and watch the sunset behind Sun Peaks Resort in the distance. So let's summarize the extensive list of features that you'll see at 3471 McBride Road in Blind Bay. You'll cherish your days living in this Jenish-designed custom-built home situated in prestigious MacArthur Heights. It offers 2,632 square feet on 0.4 acres with 4 bedrooms, an office or den, 3.5 bathrooms, open concept living dining rooms, enormous living room with 16-foot cathedral ceilings, a rec room, an exercise room, and attached oversized garage and workshop. There have been many upgrades, including a new high-efficiency natural gas furnace and new central air conditioning in 2024, new hot water tank in 2022, heat recovery ventilation, and 2 natural gas fireplaces. This home was built to last, with 2-inch by 6-inch exterior walls with extra insulation, PEX plumbing, and 50-year galvanized metal roof. There's a central vacuum system, a 4-person outdoor hot tub, beautiful no grass to cut landscaping with functional pergola, extensive perennial shrubbery, and in-ground irrigation. Also included is a rain-fresh water filtration system, a Honda snowblower, and multiple storage areas. But here's the feature you will enjoy every day year-round, and that's the unbeatable $1 million panoramic view of Shuswap Lake. 3471 McBride Road is waiting for your visit.
To learn more or to book your private showing, please call Paul Demonock of Remax Shuswap Realty today at 250-253-2387.